Kan long shisha kesni kebensakan mau hak history jong gipat ba nong snong ketan Mawhati. Haka ba haka kat nyot trik nailar arajar arpuar kilala bensaki ya kejing sedang ben urlong no kejing po snio kabala palat saupo snami ban yo Surok kebapaka. Bad kani kalau urlong hadin kejingwan menbu yo Mawnongrim da menteri rang ba kejelau Conrad kongkal Sangma. Na kebenta ben siang rong no ya Surok na do lat Umsning syado Sonidan kabadan kumba saupo kilometer ia. Ya kani Surok kebalamang hakathan Mawhati. Lengba ka Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project kabalabai pisah dengan World Bank hak jinglut kebankot kumbal Plie point Laipra klur tengka. Ya kebalamang ru ban pendap hapo kilai pun ru benai. Lawan bansa kilang hak nigesngi dauba da sakiat bala maria menteri ketenat transport ubadeiru MLA ke Mawhati constituency uba sostenis sotun MLA ke Jirang uba adjacent saukumya Maulong MLA ke Umsning bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakaran yang kenigesngi kumukongsan Conrad kongkal Sangma ulapan pawe kejing kemen kebakrau bandon bentalang hak kenigesngi seakan mau gipat ba kethan Mawhati. Kibala saki kejing urlong banyu ono Surok kebapaka. Ulong baudap da kejing kemen ru banyu jing tip baik keni Surok kebapanya so yaki sepatuli kisnong nado Umsning ter ban poisha asam. Ladak ban chimkia ru bat ban penbit penbiang da upurno Sangma kat ba udang don hak keni keperthai bat men ba udang long menteri rang ba kejela. Ban mentau ong buun beteng ban pendap kejing angnu rupat ba ban yo kene Surok kababit bat kebapaka na kebenta kejing mentoy kipat ba kathan ula penpau ru ba ke sorkar MDA kalala ban penurlong ya kejing angnu rupat ba ka Mawhati tangapo arsnem siteng kata klem dekhen yiki arsnem balawan dan shop ka klam COVID-19 ha ka bagani ke sorkar kalala ban pendap bat penurlong ya shibun kejing angnu rupat ba ha kabedai bat ki kampen roy baper ba kenthop nado kejing kentiu ke Puli Putih karep karyang bat gejing Plie ya ki Surok bat kumjo kiwe-kiwe kikam. Hagini kesngi Conrad kongkal Sangma rengkat badu MLA ke Mawhati uba dasa kiat bahala mari. Kilalit ban jurip ke Surok ke belas neu palat nado mau lasnai sya sabuda. Haga bala mang sendon ya kesong pisa ke ba kumba kat pra klur tengka ban maromot no mardor ya kini ke Surok.
That in the coming years Jagi Road is going to be a very, very important location. I'm talking of 5 years to 10 years time. And when that happens, and you will remember when I say this today, on why that place will be important, that this road will be even more critical for the connectivity between the state of Assam and the state of Meghalaya. And hence, realizing all these facts, we have done our best to help and to support the people of this area so that this project is initiated after a very, very long time. I know that there is much more to be done, but at least we have made a start. And I assure you, and this is a commitment to you, that we will complete the entire stretch of this road very soon. It took us 4.5 years to get this road sanctioned and tendered out, and today the work has been allotted. And I expect that this work will start very, very soon. I heard one of the ladies was mentioning it should start immediately. I can assure you that it will start immediately, because the work has already been sanctioned, already been allotted to the contractor.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.